Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your avatar on the Stereo Let's Talk application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the account button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Tap on this pencil button in the middle of the screen and click on tap to change this avatar at the top. So here you can select your hair color and your hairstyle can be selected. Tap on the relevant one that you would like to select, and after that click on this head button where you can select the shape of your face. Then your eyes, your eyebrows can be selected, as well as your nose, your mouth, your lip color, then your ears, your facial hair if you have any, then your accessories can be added, and finally you can select your clothes, so your outfit. So tap on the relevant ones, and when you are done, click on the save button that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen so that your avatar will be updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.